Why can't things just always work in this world? So what happens here when this brush falls off is that the wire frame bends apart and the ends of the brush get disconnected from the rod, which is a part of the wire frame. And to fix this, you just get pliers and bend the wire frame inward so it can be used to hook the brush again. So let's get a handle on this to give it a good bend. Hope you don't mind scratching the part of the vacuum. So if it's too hard this way, just put it on the floor, soft floor where you can't damage the floor, and press on it with your legs so the wire frame can bend together again. A better idea is to take the machine out of the frame, and then you will have more flexibility to bend it. Just like so. It doesn't have to be taken all of the other side as well. Now you can bend it. Where's Hulk Hogan when you need him? Okay. Yeah, now let's bend it real well. Now you can snap it back into place. So you hope okay, so help if you're fit, big strong guy. Just a little wrestling match can be fun. Yeah, make sure you don't crush your finger when the thing goes back into place, snaps back into place, which I almost did. Gotta be careful about that. Now the brush is ready to go back, to snap back into place. It's a simple procedure, connecting the ends back into their holders. voila, you'll have your vacuum back to working order. There you go. Now we can go test it out. Here is a really dirty carpet to test on. So there we go. It's back to brand new again. Another carpet sweeper saved.